Bangladesh is a land of rivers. These rivers are very important. They are like the country's roads. Many people use boats to travel. Goods are also moved on these waterways. The waterways support millions of lives. Fishing is a common job. Farming also depends on these waters. They are central to Bangladeshi culture and economy. Everyday life is connected to the rivers. These waterways are truly the nation's lifeline, sustaining communities. The country has a vast network of rivers. Canals and streams also crisscross the land. This network covers thousands of kilometers. Boats are the main transport in many areas. This is especially true in rural regions. During the monsoon season, waterways expand. They become even more crucial for connection. People rely on them for daily commutes. They also use them to access markets and services. Without these waterways, many communities would be isolated from the rest of the country. However, there is a big problem. Most boats use old engines. These engines run on diesel or petrol. These fuels cause a lot of pollution. The smoke from engines pollutes the air. Oil and fuel spills pollute the water. This harms fish and other aquatic life. The noise from these engines is also a problem. It disturbs people and wildlife. This reliance on fossil fuels is not sustainable for the long term. The delicate ecosystem of the rivers is suffering. The pollution has serious effects. Dirty air can make people sick. It causes breathing problems. Polluted water also leads to health issues. Skin diseases and other illnesses can spread. The livelihoods of fishermen are threatened. Fewer fish survive in polluted waters. The cost of fuel is also rising. This makes boat operation more expensive. This financial burden affects boat owners and passengers. Finding a cleaner solution is very important for Bangladesh. It is essential for health and the economy. Bangladesh has seen a big change on its roads. This change is the electric rickshaw or e-rickshaw. These vehicles are also called easy bikes. They have become very popular in cities and towns. Millions of e-rickshaws now operate across the country. They offer a quieter and cleaner alternative to petrol rickshaws. This transformation happened quite fast. It shows that new technology can be adopted quickly. People have embraced this new form of transport willingly. The success of e-rickshaws has many reasons. They are cheaper to run than petrol vehicles. Electricity costs less than petrol or diesel. E-rickshaws are also relatively affordable to buy. Many small parts are made locally. This creates jobs for local people. It also helps to build a local supply chain. The government has also supported their growth. E-rickshaws provide employment for many drivers. They are a vital part of urban and semi-urban transport systems now. E-rickshaws have brought environmental benefits. They do not produce any tailpipe emissions. This means cleaner air in crowded cities. Less air pollution is good for public health. They are also much quieter than traditional auto rickshaws. This reduces noise pollution in busy urban areas. While the electricity source needs to be clean, the shift itself is positive. The reduction in local pollution is a clear advantage. This success story provides a model for other sectors. It shows a path towards greener transportation. The technology used in e-rickshaws is quite simple. The main parts are a battery, an electric motor, and a controller. These components are widely available. Their prices have also come down over time. This makes the technology accessible. Mechanics have learned to repair and maintain them. This existing knowledge and supply chain are valuable. These same basic components can be considered for other uses. This foundation is strong for future green initiatives. This existing ecosystem is a great asset. The idea is to use e-rickshaw technology for boats. Small boats are very common on Bangladesh's rivers. Many of these boats are used for fishing. Others carry passengers or goods for short distances. These boats often use polluting diesel engines, or they are rowed by hand, which is hard work. Electric motors could replace these engines. This would make the boats cleaner and quieter. It would be a big step for green transport on water. This transition seems logical and beneficial. However, marine environments are harsh. Electric components need special protection. Water, especially salt water, can cause damage. Motors and batteries must be waterproof. They also need to resist corrosion. The humid climate of Bangladesh is also a factor. Components must be sealed properly. Materials used should be durable in wet conditions. These modifications are crucial for safety. They also ensure the longevity of the electric systems on boats. Careful engineering is required for this. The power needs for a boat are different from a rickshaw. Water creates more resistance than a road, so boat motors might need to be more powerful. Propeller designs will also be important. They must be efficient for electric motors. The weight of the batteries is another consideration. The boat's design might need changes. This is to accommodate the battery safely. It must also maintain stability. The system needs to be robust for daily use on water. Extensive testing will be necessary. Safety is the most important thing. Electrical systems on water have risks. All components must be properly insulated. Wiring needs to be secure and protected. Clear safety standards must be developed. Boat operators will need training. They must learn how to use and maintain electric boats safely. Regular inspections will be important too. Ensuring the safety of passengers and operators is paramount. This will build trust in the new technology. It will encourage wider adoption of e-boats. Implementing electric boats needs a careful plan. Pilot programs are a good way to start. These programs can test e-boats in real conditions. They can identify suitable boat types for conversion. Small fishing boats or passenger ferries could be first. Data from these pilots will be very useful. It will help refine the technology and plans. It will also show the benefits to local communities. These initial projects can build momentum for a larger rollout. Infrastructure is key for e-boats to succeed. Boats will need places to charge their batteries. Charging stations must be built along rivers. Battery swapping stations could also be an option. This would allow boats to get a fresh battery quickly. Repair and maintenance services will be needed. Technicians will need training to fix electric boat systems. A strong support network is essential. This infrastructure needs investment and planning. It should be accessible to boat operators. There will be challenges to overcome. The initial cost of e-boats might be high. Batteries and motors can be expensive. Financial incentives can help boat owners switch. This could include subsidies or low-cost loans. Battery disposal is another important issue. Old batteries must be recycled properly. This prevents environmental harm. Technical adaptations for different boat types will take time. Scaling up the infrastructure across all waterways is a big task. These challenges need proactive solutions. The vision is a cleaner, quieter, and healthier future for Bangladesh's waterways. Electric boats can greatly reduce pollution. This means cleaner water for fish and people. Quieter boats will make river transport more pleasant. Lower running costs will benefit boat operators. This can lead to cheaper fares for passengers. New jobs can be created in manufacturing and maintenance. Sustainable tourism can also grow around cleaner rivers. It's a journey towards a truly green revolution on the water. This transition promises a brighter future.